Looking for the top 5 best drones for beginners and kids? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best drones for beginners and kids on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. DJI Flip RCN3 Drone with 4K UHD Camera. The DJI Flip is our top recommendation for beginners shopping for a drone. As a 249G drone, it does not require any FAA registration. And because it has built-in guards around its propellers, you can safely launch from and land the drone in the palm of your hand. It supports voice commands and includes a remote control for manual flight. As for the camera, the Flip records video at up to 4K 60 quality with 10-bit color, and can snap stills at up to 48MP in RAW DNG or JPG. A 3-axis gimbal keeps the footage smooth and stable, and the Flip's battery is rated for up to 31 minutes of flying time. Forward and downward obstacle sensors are included too. The Flip may not have every feature we want to see in a drone. It doesn't include remote ID or all-around obstacle sensors. But for the money, you won't find a better aerial camera. The DJI Flip is a good drone for first-time pilots who want a model that can record video that will stand out on YouTube or social channels. The Flip's camera is the best you'll get for price. The aircraft has DJI's proven engineering behind it. Plus, it includes obstacle sensors and propeller guards, so it's safe to fly. We also appreciate its versatile controls. You can fly it with voice commands, a smartphone app, or the included remote. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you want a drone you can fly confidently in complex environments with trees or buildings, it's worth spending more on a model with obstacle detection sensors, such as the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This 249G drone includes 360-degree sensors for safer flight with automated navigation around obstructions. Its camera is superb too. Its quad-Bayer sensor records 4K 60 video and snaps stills at up to 48MP quality. The standard color profile provides pleasing video out of the camera. There's an HDR profile that looks fantastic on HDR TVs, and a 10-bit flat look is available for serious editors. The Mini 4 Pro ships with a 34-minute battery. In its $759 configuration, you get a remote that requires a smartphone, but there's also a $959 version that includes a remote with a built-in touchscreen and camera control app. An extended life battery pushes flight times to 47 minutes, but makes the drone heavier than 250G, meaning you'll need to pay the $5 FAA registration fee to use it. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 has a beginner-friendly 249 takeoff weight and is priced around $400, both marks in its favor. It provides excellent picture and video quality too. Its 4K 30 camera records smooth, steady footage with faithful color, and cleverly swaps between 16:9 widescreen and 9:16 vertical modes. The Mini 3 flies for up to 38 minutes with its standard battery, and can fly for 51 minutes with its heavier extended battery, sold separately. There are a couple of different remote control options. For $419, you can get the drone with a remote that requires you to connect your smartphone, but DJI also offers it with its built-in screen RC remote for $549. If you're upgrading from a DJI Mini 2, you can use the DJI RCN1 remote you already own to control the Mini 3. DJI sells a drone without a controller for $339. Creators who want a drone that switch between widescreen video for YouTube and vertical footage for TikTok should look at the Mini 3 for its dual aspect camera. We don't like it as much for pilots who are interested in flying low to the ground. However, as the Mini 3 does not have any sort of obstacle detection system, so you'll need to take extra care when flying near buildings and trees. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 is an enticing drone for beginners. It makes the 249G takeoff weight, so registration isn't required, and records clear, stable video at 4K 30 quality. The camera also does 12MP RAW or JPG and 48MP JPG stills. The Atom 2 includes a remote control that works with your smartphone and an app for flight control, and can fly for up to 32 minutes on a fully charged battery. Beginners who want a drone that shoots stable, natural-looking video should consider the Atom 2. Its folding form factor is a plus for travel, and its 249g weight means pilots just starting out won't have to bother with FAA registration. We also like that the Atom 2 gives you room to grow, as it includes a remote ID feature that DJI has left out of its most recent beginner drones, so you can keep using it if you eventually obtain FAA certification, which is required if you want to do any sort of paid work with your drone. The Atom 2 is a good option for real estate photography. For instance, number 5. DJI Neo. The Neo is DJI's smallest and lightest drone, and among the easiest to use from any brand. It isn't much bigger than a soda can and weighs just 4.8 ounces 135G, so you don't have to deal with FAA registration. Built-in propeller guards protect your hands for palm launches and landings and prevent crashes caused by minor bumps and collisions. It includes a nose-mounted 4K video camera that mixes gimbal and digital stabilization to deliver smooth, colorful footage. Selfie fans like the Neo's ease of use in automated flight modes. Pull back and reveal, orbit around a subject or track, and follow subject as it moves. If you prefer manual flight, you can control with a smartphone app or pick up a proper remote, sold separately for $129, with analog control sticks for a more rewarding tactile experience and longer range. Even without a remote in the box, the Neo has some nice features for beginners. These include a strong battery that's good for about 18 minutes of flight time per charge, plus the ease of USB-C charging for top-offs between flights. You won't have to worry about a memory card either. The Neo has 22 gigabytes of storage built in, good enough for 40 minutes of record time. The Neo is a good pick for recording landscape videos and selfies for social media. Beginners will appreciate just how easy it is to use. The automated flight paths are accessible from the aircraft body or app, and there's no getting around how cool it is to watch the Neo take off and land in the palm of your hand.